Ever wondered how big a snake can get? In 2024, the discovery of the world's biggest snake is making headlines. This titan of the jungle is something straight out of your wildest dreams or nightmares. Meet the green anaconda, already known as one of the heaviest snakes on Earth. But in 2024, researchers have found a colossal specimen that breaks all previous records. This giant snake is estimated to be over 33 feet long and weigh more than 500 pounds. That's heavier than a grand piano. To put it into perspective, this massive reptile is longer than a school bus and powerful enough to bring down large animals like jaguars and even crocodiles. The green anaconda is not only huge but also a master of its environment. It spends most of its time lurking in swamps and rivers, waiting to ambush its prey. Once it strikes, there's no escape. It wraps its massive body around its victim and squeezes with crushing force. Imagine being trapped by a living, breathing vice. But what makes this discovery even more remarkable is how this snake has adapted to thrive in the wild despite the increasing impact of deforestation and climate change. Its sheer size and strength are a testament to nature's raw power. Scientists were absolutely stunned when they first came across this giant snake in the heart of the Amazon rainforest. With the help of drones and satellite tracking, they've been able to study this record-breaking anaconda closely, learning more about how it survived and grew to this incredible size. Could this be the start of even bigger discoveries in the world of snakes? So there you have it. The world's biggest snake in 2024 is a true jungle titan. Nature is always full of surprises. Would you dare to get close to this massive serpent? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more jaw-dropping discoveries from the animal kingdom.